Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to explain how to master fluency in the English language. Let's look at the step-by-step guide. Learning to speak English fluently takes time and practice, but here are some steps that can help you improve your fluency. Immerse yourself in the language, surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch English movies and TV shows, listen to English songs, and read books, newspapers, and magazines in English. The more you expose yourself to the language, the easier it will be to pick up on the vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Practice speaking. The key to improving your fluency is to practice speaking as much as you can. Find a language partner or join a conversation group where you can practice speaking English with native speakers or other learners. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you speak, the more comfortable you will become and the more fluent you will sound. Expand your vocabulary. A wide vocabulary is key to speaking fluently. Make it a habit to learn new words every day and try to use them in your conversations. Flashcards, vocabulary apps, and online resources can be helpful tools for building your vocabulary. Focus on pronunciation. Good pronunciation is important for speaking fluently and being understood. Practice repeating words and phrases out loud, paying attention to the stress and intonation patterns of English. Listen carefully to native speakers and try to mimic their pronunciation. Learn grammar. A solid understanding of English grammar will help you speak more fluently and confidently. Study grammar rules and practice using them in your conversations. There are many online resources, textbooks, and language courses that can help you improve your grammar skills. Practice every day. Consistency is key when learning a language. Make it a habit to practice English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Review what you've learned, practice speaking, and try to use new words and grammar structures in your conversations. Get feedback. Find a language partner or teacher who can give you feedback on your pronunciation, grammar, and fluency. They can help you identify areas where you need to improve and provide guidance on how to sound more natural when speaking. Be patient and persistent. Learning a language takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see progress right away. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and enjoy the process of learning. Remember that making mistakes is a natural part of learning and each mistake is an opportunity to learn and improve. Remember, the most important thing is to stay motivated, practice regularly, and immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. With time and dedication, you can definitely become fluent in English. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.